Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to extend your songs on Suno AI. Guys, it is easy. You can do, just need to go to your account and over create, as you can see here. Then you can go to find extend song and go to click on the extend, as you can see here, right? And if you don't already have song, then you can create your own songs, and where you can write the prompt right here, as you can see here, and you can choose the style of music from here, and just need guys to click extend and need to switch to on custom, and you need write to your lyrics. And if you don't have that, guys, you can make random, as you can see here, and click down and select instrumental, and then you can make even more prompt. And to do that, you can add a title. Then from here you can done with all that, and you need just click to extend, and then to songs that you created, and you will down. And here that you finish it, you will be looking something like right here, and you will say part 2, and then you have 2 opportunity to go over then 3 dots, as you can see here, and you can get whole song, or you can just download audio or the video file of the song. That's how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful, and thanks for watching. See you on another video soon. Subscribe to my channel, guys.